This is not a toy or a video game, but it is meant to look like one. Let's be different and have fun. Welcome to Stellarview, a new way to look at your applications, your GitHub repos, embracing AI with the deep code analysis, bring together all phases and aspects of the software development lifecycle using the common tools that millions of folks are accustomed to using. The complexity of managing multiple repos, dependencies, issues, sprints can all be quite challenging on the technical mind. Bringing all these tools together in order to help individuals and teams and organizations understand their software development lifecycle, to integrate all of the most popular development tools commonly used in order to form a broad understanding by the entire team. Additionally, using AI is dependent on very complex and specific models about your organization. Each repo, often looked at as a flat structure in an IDE, it's usually very much more than that. Taking a different type of look, you see an interdependence, you see a design that takes into consideration different aspects, different levels, different roles code takes within an organization, design assets, research data, documentation, infrastructure, UI, APIs, services, backends. In reality, there's often much more than that comes into play with an application. Groups of people, teams, dependencies form around these application repos. More so, with AI, these are becoming more complex. The complexity is often hard to ingest quickly, to form a wide glossary, to understand in certain areas, and naming a nomenclature that can be understood by both AI, humans. Now also, these applications are living, breathing things. There are logs, there are metrics, there are costs, there are many more things unrelated to code. How are they running? How fast? How hot are they running? Where are the logs? What logs need attention? To be able to look at this on a very wide scale takes uniqueness, some analogy, some glossary. Managing our issues, often very technical, often utilizing a set of products, often very common products, but difficult to master nonetheless. With AI, how fast organizations are moving, we need a way to be able to embrace AI, to bring together all these pieces of information and to help people learn, to define new development, to define new enhancements and make sure the proper software development lifecycle has been followed. AI is controlled. AI helps us embrace our own processes. The Practici is a set of software development controls that embraces AI to help us refine every aspect of our software development lifecycle, to have them reviewed by security agents. To have those agents be reviewed by senior analysts allows us to increase the velocity of our development, of our testing, of our communication to the entire organization. So you see a living, breathing management interface separate from an IDE, embracing AI with context like never before. Jira, Confluence, Figma, Swagger, the entire internet, Claude, OpenAI all come together to give us a very rich view of all the things that are really going on in the organization. Epics, tasks, dates. Now all these things exist in their separate tooling. However, bringing them together to help individuals velocitize, summarize, understand at a very deep level, quickly, onboarding, and most importantly, use and control of AI, subsequent to the Practici. How do our teams operate? What are our policies, stylistic guides? How we develop new apps and do enhancements and embrace and engage AI to create entire pull requests, entire new development, enhancements, bugs, and analysis.